Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look in detail at the top 10 space agencies in the world. If you're a space enthusiast, then you are going to love the achievements of these amazing space agencies. So let's get started. The number one is National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, popularly known as NASA, is a government space agency of the United States. It is a big organization responsible for exploring space and studying the Earth. NASA has accomplished many amazing missions, such as sending humans to the moon, launching probes to study planets, etc. It is a space agency with the biggest budget in the world. Every year, it receives around $22,629 millions from the US government. The second is China National Space Administration. The China National Space Administration, CNSA, has achieved a lot of things in the past few years. In the year 2019, China became the first country to land a spacecraft on the far side of the moon. After that, in 2020 to 21, CNS worked on a Mars mission. This mission included a lander, rover, and orbiter. This made China the second country in history to land a rover on Mars after the US. Currently, the budget of CNSA is $11,000 million. The third is Russian Federal Space Agency. The Russian Federal Space Agency is famously known as Roscosmos. This space agency is the successor of the Soviet space program. There was a time when it was competing rigorously with NASA, especially during the Cold War. Yuri Gagarin, who was the first human in space, was a member of the Soviet space program. In recent years, Roscosmos is working on many internal national space station programs. The fourth one is Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is the space agency of the Government of India. It was founded in the year 1969 and has made significant achievements since then. It launched its very first satellite in 1975. One of the notable endeavors of ISRO was when it launched over 104 satellites using a single rocket. ISRO is one of the few agencies on the planet to launch missions to both Mars and the Moon. It has also played a crucial role in the development of the satellite-based navigation system called as NAVLC. Currently, it is working on its mission to send humans to the Moon. The fifth one is European Space Agency, ESA. European Space Agency, ESA, is a space agency of 22 member states. It was established in the year 1975. It has headquarters in Paris with a team of more than 2,200 engineers and scientists. As of 2023, it has an annual budget of more than 4.9 million euros. This agency has sent multiple satellites, probes, and even astronauts into the space to study the universe. ESA played an instrumental role in the development of Rosetta. It is one of the best spacecraft in the world. The sixth one is Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, or JAXA, is a space agency of Japan responsible for space and exploration and developing new technologies. It has sent many spacecraft to different planets. JAXA has also worked with other countries to launch satellites. These satellites are responsible for observing Earth's weather, climate, natural disasters, etc. Established in the year 2003, JAXA has an annual budget of more than $1.699 million. The seventh one is Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, SpaceX. Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, or SpaceX, is a private space exploration company. It specializes in manufacturing rockets and other spacecraft to send into the space. This company was founded by renowned entrepreneur Elon Musk. It has achieved multiple milestones, including making the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit. Plus, SpaceX has also created the first privately funded spacecraft to dock with the International Space Station. The eighth one is National Center for Space Studies, CNES. The National Center for Space Studies, CNES, is a French space agency established in 1961. This agency has headquarters in Paris. It employs more than 2,500 people. CNES is responsible for developing and implementing the space policy of France. The agency has been launching satellites since 1979. CNES has been working closely with the other space organizations around the world, such as NASA, the European Space Agency, etc. The ninth one is German Aerospace Center, DLR. The German Aerospace Center, DLR, is a national aerospace and space research agency in Germany, founded in 1969. This agency has its headquarters in Cologne and multiple other locations throughout Germany. There are more than 8,127 employees currently working for German Aerospace Center. The current budget of DLR is more than 1.26 billion euros. The high-resolution stereo camera HRSC was the biggest contribution of DLR to European space agencies. Mars mission. Then the one is Italian Space Agency, ASI. The Italian Space Agency, ASI, was founded in 1988. It is a space agency responsible for promoting, coordinating, and conducting space activities in Italy. ASI has been working in numerous space missions. It was responsible for the launch of the first Italian satellite, San Marco, in 1964. ASI has also been collaborating with other international space agencies, including ESA, NASA, JXA, etc. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.